Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to tell if someone is appearing offline on the PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you have a friend that hasn't been online for like a month or something, and you want to know if they are appearing offline, well, let's go up to our friends list right here and select this. Now let's go to all friends and scroll on down to their name. So I'm going to choose Action 6 right here. It says they've last been online 20 days ago, but when I select their name, it actually says they've been offline 16 days ago. So that's kind of strange. Now let's scroll on down to games right here and then go to the right. Now I can see the most recently played game. It's Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Well, I know this game isn't out yet, so they must have been playing like the campaign or something like that. Also Overwatch 2. Now, if I look at their profile and these games change in terms like the order, if all of a sudden Elden Ring goes to the top of the list, well, that is the most recently played game. So I know they're playing offline and I can see the recent game that they have been playing. So this order changes at all, they have been playing offline. Now, if we scroll on down to where it says the trophy for the specific game. So here's Rocket League right here. Now under here, we can see the most recently earned trophy. So for Rocket League, it says one better. Now the exact date the person unlocked this is 7/14/2021 at 12:25. So I know they were online playing at that exact moment. So if they're unlocking a lot of trophies, well, you can see exactly when they unlock them. So check the game order. And then also the trophies. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.